Hi guys, welcome to DC Diaries. I hope you all had a very safe and a happy Diwali. So being Diwali as a special occasion, we have decorated our house in a little different way this time. So we thought we'll give you a small home tour and also share the glimpse of how our day went. In this house kuda romba engalukku special because it's been 2 years since we're living in this house. And each and every corner வந்து நாங்களே எங்களோட own ideas and preferences வச்சு design பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So சொல்லப்போனா we are the interior designers of this house. So we got the help of the carpenter and we got everything custom made. So we thought we will share all those details with you. So உங்களுக்கும் வந்து நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு house you want to make a little customized. So I think our ideas might be a little helpful for you. So come along guys. So welcome to our beautiful home. Guys, welcome to our living room. So our living room is in a grey and a white theme based living room. So we have chosen our sofa colors in grey so that we wanted something in a neutral shade, and at the same time we gave some colors by adding these colorful cushions here. In the sofa patti solona, it's a 5-seater sofa and it has 2 modas to it. So in rendukkume inga சேர்த்து போட்டா it'll give you a bed. And this is the way we wanted the sofa to look like, and that's why we customized it this way. So in the sofa patti solnona, every single thing is customized, right from choosing the wood for the sofa, the cushion density, the color of the sofa, ellame naanga dhaan decide pannom. And we gave these measurements to the carpenter and included interest based panni they made these sofas. So the next comes a coffee table. And the coffee table is also in a gold and a white theme based coffee table. And Diwali naala we decorated in a little different way. The next comes our carpet as well. So carpet kuda in the sofa match pandra mari we have chosen a grey and a white theme based carpet. So I feel the modern look perfectly goes well with our living room. So guys, let's see our curtains and let me show you the view. Look at this beautiful view. We have this lake facing view for our house, and the breeze and the sunlight is abundant here. So our living room is always well lit up and it's very peaceful. And as you can see, we have 2 types of curtains. One is the main curtain. So in the main curtain we use it when we want to completely avoid the sun. So it gives a good blockage. And the next one is the sheer curtain. So in the sheer curtains it gives partial sun rays into our living room, and at the same time it adds a very beautiful effect to our living room. The next comes our photo wall. So this wall is really special because it has all our memories. இந்த வால் நாங்கள் எப்படி டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா, we have chosen a vintage wallpaper and in the vintage wallpaper-ஓட we have matched the photo frames accordingly. So எல்லா photo frames-உம் வந்து இந்த color coordination-ஓட it really highlights this wall. It has all the memories and wherever the trips we went, அது எல்லாமே நாங்கள் capture பண்ணி இங்கே we have put there. So the next comes the highlight of our living room, which is our TV unit. So there are few things that I would like to discuss here. The first one is the wall that you see here. இது வந்து நாங்க ஒரு brick foam wallpaper use பண்ணி we have designed this wall. You get this online. இது எப்படி கிடைக்கும்னா ஒரு 2x2 feetல you get wallpapers and we can directly stick them. But இது வந்து ஒரு it doesn't give a nice look. So வந்து we had to cut the edges in a zigzag form so that it gives like a continuous finish. So it brings a very beautiful and a cool vibe to this living room. The second thing that I would like to show here is this wall unit that we have. In the wall unit is pretty simple but elegant in its own way. I feel it really highlights this brick wall that we have. In the design room we ourselves designed it, and also the dimensions ellame naanga dhaan choose pannom, right from the lamination colors and things like that, so that it matches to this living room. So in the entire living room oda vibe it goes hand in hand, I feel. And the lower part neenga pathina we don't have these regular handles here. We thought we'd go for this push option, which is kind of cool and unique in its own way. The third thing that I would like to share is our TV, which is 65-inch TV. இது வந்து நாங்க ஆன்லைன்ல தான் வாங்கினோம், and we wanted like a home theater effectங்கிறதுனால we got in this side, and along with that we have the sound bar, which is JBL 2.1. It comes with Bluetooth woofers. So in the segment we found them to be really good, and it's also cost effective. So if you want to buy this, then we will share the links in the description. So this chandelier we got it online from a foreign website. We wanted something modern and unique, and we chose this design. In the living room we felt this goes very well because of its own unique design. We have decorated our living room this way, so it gives a very nice festive vibe to our living room. That I want to show you is our dining room. So your dining room is right behind the living room. We wanted to separate them out. So we have this wooden frame partition right here. So as you see, we have designed the entire design and suggest pannu with these showcase kind of space. So we can keep all our showpieces here, and it breaks the monotonous look. In the pillars பின்னாடி there's also another storage space. So எங்களோட cutlery items எல்லாமே நாங்க ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So if you see here, there are cupboards here as well. So எங்களோட cutlery எல்லாமே நாங்க இங்க வெச்சிட்டோம். So utility wise it's really nice. And எங்களோட dining room it's like a 4-seater dining table with a bench. So it almost has like a 6-seater arrangement னு சொல்லலாம். So இது கூட it's the same white and grey theme naala it goes well with our living room. And the utility was really good because we have drawers on both the sides, so we can keep again all our cutlery items here. டைனிங் ரூம் பார்த்தாச்சு. அதுக்கு பக்கத்துலேயே இருக்கிறது தான் பூஜா யூனிட். ஸோ பூஜா யூனிட் நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this entire design was our choice. ஸோ நாங்கள் தான் இந்த யூனிட் டிசைன் பண்ணோம், and we wanted to go in a white and a gold themeங்கிறதுனால we came up with this kind of a design. and இதோட யூட்டிலிட்டியும் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is the puja unit. அதுக்கே வந்து we also have 2 drawers. So one drawer வந்து we have all the puja related things to be stored வந்து இந்த drawல வச்சுக்கிறோம். and இங்க வந்து நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா we have this pullover drawer மாதிரி. so இங்க ஏதாவது படைக்கிறதுக்கு we use this drawer. and this is how a puja unit looks. Now let's see the kitchen area. So before we go to the kitchen area, this is a common wash basin here. So in the unit in the pathina, it was completely different when we came here, and we wanted to give something unique which breaks the monotonous look of this house. Adnala in the wall we gave stone cladding to this wall. So in the pathina, we have chosen a grey stone cladding, and contrasting we have given a white mirror. In the mirror is unique in its own way. So in the wall cladding இது நல்ல ஒரு ஹைலைட்டா இருக்கு. and in the கீழ கூட we have given like a tampered kind of a storage. so ஒரு corner storage மாதிரி இருக்கும். இங்க we have kept all the detergents and all those washing items எல்லாமே we have stored here. so it's a well designed unit, I would say. And this is like the common bathroom over here. So let's look at our kitchen. So in the kitchen we have organized it very beautifully. எல்லா விஷயமும் நாங்க ரொம்ப பார்த்து செஞ்சிருக்கோம். We wanted to make the best use of the space that was given to us, because we had to accommodate the fridge, washing machine and all the other appliances in the same place. We have tried to design the entire space very meticulously. So right from all the drawers enna mari size ana cupboards, so ellame naanga பார்த்து we have designed it. In the color combination we wanted to make the kitchen look really bright ingarnala we have chosen yellow and the white color. and in the kitchen slab patti special mention pannom, because usually ellarume granite or marble based kitchen slab dhaan poduvanga, but we have used quartz stone for this. so quartz is quite durable and it's also trendy right now. so the color of this quartz is white and you get different varieties in it. so white nalla bright ah irukongarnala we have chosen quartz white stone now. Give you a glance of the lower cabinets that we have designed. The first one pathina is like a pullover drawer madri. Inge we have fixed our mixie so that you don't have to place it there. Direct inga irukra plug point la we can connect it. so idu nalla utility wise it's really friendly and also cost space saving ah irukum. so we got something like this. Here we have all the accessories for the mixie stored here. அதே மாதிரி இதுவும் is basically to store all the utensils. so நிறைய பெரிய vessels இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே we have stored here. so there are 2 rows to this. so we have stored a lot of heavy duty vessels over there. and in the corner pathina is for the cylinders. so inga we have directly given connection to the gas to this gas stove ngarnala we have kept our kitchen cylinder over here. and inga keela rendume they are called tandem drawers. so nalla heavy duty drawers madri. so nalla weight I think more than 50 kgs varaiku it can hold. so we have kept all our important vessels right here. so ellame pathina soft closing over. so you just have to like gently push and it close on its own. inga ella on the cutleries we have it like these pull out drawers madri we have placed. so inga we use a lot of these mud pots madri. so adu ellame kuda we have stored here. and inga we have 2 kitchen sinks madri. so So இது கூட வந்து is a little different. In the quad stone match ஆகிறதுக்கான we chose this specific color. So ஒன்னு வந்து smaller in size and one is a bigger in size. And கீழே வந்து we have a place holder for to keep the dustbin. In the last corner பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is again for storage. So extra store பண்ணனும்னா கூட we can store it here. We wanted some extra kitchen slab ingirnala we have extended till here, and it gives you like a U-shaped kitchen slab madri. And எங்களுக்கு வந்து இது access பண்றது is difficult ingirnala what we did is we have given this like rollers to this particular section so that it becomes like a moving trolley. So இத நம்ம வந்து move பண்ணி இங்க திரும்பி we can place it back. So in case if you want more space, we can even push it to the dining area so that we have more access to this space. இது வந்து எப்படி organize பண்ணிருக்கணும், this has like an open section to it where we keep all the vegetables that we require, and at the same time it also has this closed storage area and some drawers to it. This section is the washing area section. So we have the washing machine here, and in the மேல வந்து we have the storage for all the detergents and other cleaning products எல்லாமே store பண்றதுக்கான ஏரியாவா we are using these cupboards. And next to this is like our tall unit madri. So here வந்து we have all the the rice and flour items placed here, and then வந்து all the important other grocery items வந்து இங்க நம்ம store பண்றோம். So we have split these two because we wanted to even accommodate our microwave. So in the space வந்து we wanted to use it in a better way ங்கறதால we have arranged it this way. And inga vandu kuda we wanted to utilize this space, so we have all our oven related products like baking trays ellame inda idla store pannirkom. Idu vandu or hydraulic opening cupboard madri we have designed it. And mele kuda we have a lot of storage area in the loft. So ella are not regular use agada stuff ellame vandu mele vechirukom. Our refrigerator, it's a 2-door refrigerator, and inga vandu we have the upper cabinets. Inga main vandu we are using it for cutlery, so ingaloda cups, mugs ellame in the area la we are storing. Idu vandu is a little different, so neenga paathingaley we have given additional height to this particular corner unit so that we just wanted to differentiate from the others. So இது வந்து ஒரு corner tapered unit மாதிரி. இங்க வந்து நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா the depth of this particular unit is a lot. So நம்ம நிறைய storage வச்சுக்கலாம் இந்த இடத்துலயும். And இங்க வந்து you have all the regular salts and things that you want to easily access in the unitsல வச்சிருக்கோம். So எல்லா heightமே of this upper cabinets is little extra because we wanted more storage place. This one is the spice rack. So ella important kitchen spices we store pannirkom. And this is where we keep all our coffee and sugar and other items here. Idu rendume vandu is for our pulses. So ella dals and pulses ellame in the cabinets store pannirkom. Like the last section of my kitchen. So idu vandu is the RO unit. We didn't want to give like an open look ungirnala we made it like in a cupboard like structure, and we have a uniform look on the upper cabinets. So in the kitchen vandu we have given a lot of thought to this, and we have tried to plan it out in the best way possible so that in the storage space naanga vandu nalla utilize panikalaamradhukaga we have planned a lot. And in the rendu பத்தி சொல்லணும்னா we are using the chimney வந்து Edika brand. So நிறைய research பண்ணி தான் இந்த chimney வாங்கினோம், and we feel it's like one of the best in the market. So it's a touch based chimney, and sound கூட it's not a lot, so I think it does its job really well. So I think this is really good for its cost range. And kitchen gas stove kuda we are using Glen kitchen gas stove. It has 4 burners, and it also has this electric burner to it, so we can electrically light this burners as well. So this is all about our beautiful kitchen.
Let me take you to the tour of our bedrooms. So let's start with our master bedroom. So our room size is 13 x 13, and the first thing that you see is Chandru's workstation, and next to that there's a TV. And we wanted to go for a customized king size bed ingarnala we chose something like this, which has a blue and a white combination that can match with the wallpaper. So engaloda room oda theme is more or less in the grey and blue tones, and from there we have a beautiful view to the balcony, and we have the view of the lake. So engaloda balcony kuda we wanted to have a nice sit out ingarnala we chose a couple bean bag there and a small swing, so it gives a very cute look to our balcony.
Now that we have seen our master bedroom, we have two more bedrooms. So this is like a second bedroom, but right now we're using it for storage, so it's a little messy, so we might not be showing you a tour of this. Now let's go to the third bedroom. So this is like our third bedroom. So this is where my in-laws stay. So this is the bedroom here. We have a side unit, a table unit, and this is the bed. And we have a cream theme based room for this. So a brown and a cream tone is what you would see. We also have like a very subtle wallpaper to this room. So it's well ventilated, and we have an attached bathroom here. I hope you liked our video, and you can also take some of our ideas to design your homes. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel, and please share your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.